Welcome back to Strategy Saturday. This is a practical video today. If you've recently started taking creatine and notice you're feeling a little backed up, you're not imagining it. A viewer asked me this exact question: can creatine cause constipation? And even though it's not one of the most common side effects, yes, it can happen. And today I'm going to explain why and exactly how to avoid it. I just started creatine, and I know some of you say you're starting. So let's avoid this if we can. Here's what's going on inside your body. Creatine pulls water into your muscles. This is one of the reasons why it improves strength, recovery, and lean mass. But that shift means that there's temporarily less water available for your gut. And when the colon doesn't have enough water, things move a whole lot slower. The second reason is electrolytes. Creatine increases water movement into tissues. And if you're low on sodium and potassium, especially if you're keto or carnivore, your intestines don't contract efficiently. That leads to slower motility, which shows up as constipation. And here's the third factor. If you increase protein at the same time you've added creatine, but didn't increase hydration or fat intake, the whole system can clog up. You need enough water and electrolytes to keep things moving, especially in that first week. So how do you fix it? First, add 1 glass of water with your creatine dose. This alone helps most people. Second, get your electrolytes in. A pinch of salt or an electrolyte packet, I would recommend that because you're going to get your potassium, can make a huge difference in bowel motility. Third, take your creatine with a meal, not on an empty stomach. Your gut works better when it has protein and fat to stimulate digestion. Fourth, skip the loading phase. I don't know if many of you did that. Some people say do a loading dose of 20 grams a day for a week. I did not do that. I did not recommend that, but it is out there. So if that's what you did, that's where most of the GI issues come from. Just take a normal 3 to 5 grams daily and let your muscles saturate slowly. And finally, if you're still having trouble, consider switching to a micronized creatine. It dissolves better and tends to be gentler on the gut. So yes, while creatine doesn't commonly cause constipation, it absolutely can if hydration and electrolytes are low. The good news is that it's completely avoidable, and these fixes work very quickly. And if you started creatine recently, let me know how you're doing with it in the comments. And if you have other questions about recovery or supplements, drop those too, because I love to answer your real life experiences. Dr. Rose, I'll see you tomorrow on the next Daily Spoonful.